guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to schedule an email in your Gmail. Schedule an email in Gmail means you can set the time to send a particular mail at particular time. This feature is free but doesn't come in blind. The feature is later added an extension in Google Chrome. You can do it in Google Chrome browser only. This extension is known as Boomerang. To schedule an email in Gmail, first click on Browser. Click on App button shown on the top left side of your screen. Click on Web Store. Type Boomerang. Here you will be shown Add to Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome, then it will be successfully added to your Chrome. After adding the Boomerang to your browser, open your Gmail. Click on Compose button. Enter the email you want to send mail or message. Subject. Type your mail. You can also attach photos. After typing your mail, click on Send Later. Select the time. If you want to send after 1 hour, click on In 1 hour. If you want to send tomorrow morning, click on Tomorrow morning. If you want to send tomorrow afternoon, click on Tomorrow afternoon. If you want to send at a specific time, please enter your time. After choosing your time, it will take some time to perform. Select your mail. Click on Allow button. Now your mail has been successfully sent. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.